friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Inspired by this beautiful box, when you order online from Bath and Body Works, you get a box that the inside of it has a beautiful blue and white checkered inside. So I decided to take scissors and packing tape and build what you see before you. The first thing I did was I cut off the flaps. And then I taped it. I reinforced the tape along the middle. Then I took two flaps, folded them, and taped them there. So that's actually two thicknesses there. Then I cut a triangle and taped that on the back. Then I cut pieces and taped them onto here as the roof. So this is, you can see from the back a little bit better how I made it. Will this last forever? No. But dollhouses cost like $100. We already have a plastic one. We already have a wood one I built. This is just something that I did for fun, creatively, I was looking at the box and I was like, this box is so beautiful, I can't just throw it away. I have to make something out of it. My kids will play with it until it's broken. It'll end up in the trash. But it only cost me packing tape, which is $1 at Dollar Tree, and I didn't even use the whole roll. I honestly used probably half a roll, maybe a little more. So I reinforced it with a lot of packing tape. As you can see, I folded right here and right there. So the box was a rectangle ending right there, but I cut the flap here and folded it and taped it together, as you can see. Is it perfect? By no means, but it's art.
This goes in the kitchen.
Okay.
This goes in the bathroom. And this one's going in the living room. And this one goes in the basement. And this cat goes in the kitchen too, in his cave. And this radio goes in the house. And this pig goes to cook. Paint a picture.
Okay. Do you like what I made for you?
Yeah.
What is it?
He's going to paint.
Is it a house?
Yeah.
You like the house?
Yeah, and he can put paint on the picture.
Oh, very nice.
And he can draw a flower with pink. Pink.
What do the little animals say to each other?
The little animal starts B.
Animal starts with A, you're right.
No. S starts. The B starts with S.
Oh, I see. Do you like the house?
Yeah.
Very good.
I'm going to draw a piece on the flower. Oopsies. I'm sorry. I'm going to bring these. You need to get all of this stuff.
Yeah.
This one's going in the attic. And this one, go help some fire.